Ford COE. Just did the replace that airbag that I saw in the previous video. On the left front. Come on, right? Perfect. On the front. So now he's got a good spare wheel. That's too cool.
Badass. Yeah. You're good.
Beautiful. Come all the way out.
I gotta fix that.
This thing's so cool.
Door poppers, there's no handles anymore. You just have push buttons underneath there.
It's way cool.
It's neat. I love it.
Love it. This is neat.
Yeah, these are bizarre.
I like that though.
See, that's the only thing that sucks.
It's a percentage.
No,
But
it bounces all over the
But
map.
it's all over the place.
And
yeah.
it'll go to EE and 00, and it's like there's no consistency to it at all. Yeah, imagine driving this 1,700 miles.
Yeah, you had adventure.
I had a major adventure. I put a pillow behind my back and a wrapped blanket around me because I was freezing my balls off. Has no heater. It's got AC. Says heat, but doesn't heat.
We don't need no heat.
As long as you got AC in the desert.
This thing's laying on a blanket.
Gloves and a hat.
You're just not
I'm gonna have a cold weather bag I'm gonna put in the storage box just so if it gets cold I can grab it and warm up.
This is cool.
I like it.
Yeah, these were there.
Yeah, it's got those shit handles.
Yeah.
Nice.
They chopped it probably about that much.
Yeah.
They chopped it a lot. You can't see the traffic lights.
Oh, you need to get the prism like the old cars had.
I like that California has the side light because you can see that one. The uppers, you can't see them.
You just like wait for somebody to honk. That's too cool.